All right, now welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be cloning down Dawn and getting started with our Shopify development store. To get here, if you could just type Dawn here in the search, if you're on Shopify.dev, you're going to spend a lot of time on Shopify.dev if you haven't noticed. You're going to spend a lot of time here. But search Dawn here is going to bring you to this page here, and what we want to do is we want to go to the GitHub repository here. So do that, and this is the Dawn theme. And we're going to go to this drop down and we're going to clone it. Right? So let's clone it. I'm copying this link, and what we want to do, if you guys have a terminal, not a terminal, but a text editor or a terminal, you still gonna need a terminal. But let's open up our text editor. So let's go to all right, get VS Code out. See, it's over here. Let it open it. I don't know why it's taking so long. All right, so we have VS Code out, and if you haven't already, create a folder. So let's create a folder. Let's do new folder. I'm going to name it course site. All right, course site. And I'm going to open that folder in VS Code. I'm going to go open. This one should be the desktop. All right, yep, and now we're going to get the folder that we created. It's course site. We're going to open it. All right. So let's open up a terminal, new terminal here, and we want to make sure we are inside our open folder. See, we are in course site. What we want to do is Command V, and this is going to paste. Oops, actually, we got to do git clone. Git clone. Let's do git clone, then paste that, and we're going to clone down Dawn. Cloning into Dawn. Right? So now that we have that, now that we have Dawn right here, as we can see, this is the theme. Now what we want to do is go back to our site. Go back to our site here, course site. We are in here as Zabion Sherman, or as our we're in here as our second account. Now, what we want to do is log into this site. So we're going to take this, right? We're going to copy this. Actually, we just need it up to we just need this part right here, right? We want to go back to this in our terminal, and what we want to do is do Shopify login -- store, command paste, course site.myshopify.com. Press enter. Actually, Command C that. we have to CD into Don. So CD into Don. Now what we want to do is Shopify. Now we want to do that, because now we're going to be actually inside of our theme folder, right? And for me, it will be, I think this one is the name. All right, let's try it out. So we're logged into the store, and now we do Shopify Theme Serve. Okay, so it's the wrong one. So Shopify, log out. Let's do Shopify log out. So let's log out of that, and let's do Shopify log in. Add store again. And it's gonna open up actually a window this time, which it do sometime if you log out. And what we wanna log into is this one, because this is our second account. This is account number 2. Authenticated successfully. Close out this. Let's go back here. Shopify theme service, the same account. Oh, there it is. Now it's working. And as it's opening and stuff like that, we're going to just wait till this goes, and then it's going to give us a link to click on, and then it's going to take us to the Shopify development, and then we're going to start making our first thing. Okay, so now I ran into a little error. That's because I was running some themes earlier, and I probably am still running a theme. So what we're gonna do is just a little workaround. If this happens to you, it's fine. This happens if you're already developing a theme and you try to run another theme or something like that. This happens. So what you can do is press up. Then we're gonna do -- ports, and let's do port 8080. Right. Now that should work. Just let that thing do its thing again. Actually, that was quite quick. Okay, so now that we have that, only thing we have to do now is click on this. So let's do command click. It's gonna open up our development environment, and now we have our Dawn theme. There's a lot of changes we're going to make, but in this course we're going to focus on the home page and customizing the home page, making customized sections and everything like that. So it's going to be a very, very informative course. We're going to have a lot of fun. If you haven't worked with Shopify and Liquid yet, you're going to have a lot of fun with this. I actually enjoy working with Liquid and Shopify. It seems like I'm actually accomplishing something that people could that people would take as being valuable. You know what I'm saying? So in the next video, we're going to get started. We're going to work on the announcement bar just to get us started, and then we're going to just kick it off from there. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.